Looking for the best curling iron to achieve flawless waves or sleek curls? The latest models combine advanced heat control, cutting-edge styling technology, and salon-quality results, giving you the power to create the perfect look at home. Read on to find the one that fits your routine and transforms your styling game. The Dyson Airwrap ID takes hairstyling to another level with its Kawanda airflow technology, allowing for heat-free curling, smoothing, and volumizing. Its intelligent heat control prevents damage while ensuring long-lasting curls, and the updated attachments make it perfect for all hair types. Designed for those who want a salon experience at home, this multi-styler is a game changer. Check the description for the latest deals to bring this technology to your styling routine. The T3 Aire 360 is more than a curling iron. It's a complete styling system, featuring ceramic curling attachments, an oval brush, and a drying concentrator. It provides rapid drying while reducing frizz. The ceramic technology distributes heat evenly to protect hair from damage, while the adjustable settings allow for tailored styling. If you're looking for a tool that delivers smooth curls and a flawless blowout, check the description to find out how this multi-styler can elevate your hair routine. The Hot Tools Pro Artist Black Gold Curling Iron delivers medium loose curls and tousled waves with its 1 1/4 inch barrel and black gold titanium technology, ensuring consistent heat for professional results. Its digital temperature control allows for precise styling, while the fast heat-up time makes it ideal for quick touch-ups. If salon quality styling is your goal, check the description for pricing details and bring this tool into your collection. The DREAME AirStyle Pro is a 7-in-1 hair tool that features magnetic attachments for curling, smoothing, and volumizing. With its high-speed drying motor and frizz control technology, it delivers long-lasting results. The Cool Shot function helps set curls in place, and its luxury leather package makes it a premium styling tool. If versatility is key for your hair routine, check the description to see why this multi-styler is worth adding to your collection. The Lena Auto Hair Curler simplifies the curling process with its ionic self-rotating technology, ensuring perfect curls with minimal effort. Designed for medium and long-length hair, it features adjustable heat settings and anti-frizz technology for smooth, shiny curls. The ceramic-coated barrel protects hair from heat damage, and its automatic rotation ensures consistent styling. If effortless curls sound like the perfect fit for you, check the description to see how this curler can upgrade your routine. Whether you're aiming for beachy waves, glamorous curls, or sleek blowouts, these curling irons bring professional styling tools right into your hands. Finding the right one can change your entire hair routine, so check the description for pricing and make sure you get the best tool for your needs.